Is the TikTok application crashing on your phone when you try to open it? I'm going to show you 3 different fixes to this problem. So by the end of this video, your app should be up and running without any issues. The first step that you'll want to do is to open your app switcher on iPhone or Android and just close the app completely. Maybe the app has some bug or glitch which prevents it from opening, so closing it and then reopening it can fix this. Another thing that you can do is to open the settings, then find the general section. Select this iPhone storage option, which will then show you a list of all the different applications which you have installed on iPhone. But if you're an Android user, head over to the apps section, find TikTok, and then clear the cache files. And after that, reinstall the app. But I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open TikTok and then offload the app by clicking here. This will essentially clear the app cache files. It will delete all of the unnecessary data which your app may have, and after you offload it, simply tap on the reinstall option. TikTok will then reinstall. It will be updated to the latest version, and this will give your app a refresh. All of the bugs or glitches which may cause the problem should be gone, which is a good thing. Exit the settings and check if this solves your problem. Another thing which you can do, if you're still having issues, is to exit the settings and then open your web browser. It can be Google Chrome, it can be Safari, it really doesn't matter. Now you'll want to type "is TikTok down," and we will then open this specific website. I'm going to make sure to leave this website link in the description down below so you can open it from there. This website is going to show us if TikTok has some problems with its servers or other things. You'll see this little graph where people report different problems with the app, so if you see a big spike at the end, then TikTok probably has some server issues, and all you can do is to wait a couple of hours until they solve those problems. So offloading the app and reinstalling the app will fix the issue in most cases, and if you have any suggestion or solution to this problem, make sure you leave it in the comment down below so we can help more people. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!